Today we are going to draw a picture AI Hoshino, colleagues illustrator. First, prepare a line. When we were in class, use 130 to color the skin color. This year's skin tone is cooler and whiter, so we use the lightest color 130, a little bit wider. You know that evil is you there, go up, put it there. Then the blush on the cheeks can be done with colored pencils. Shape. Then take the color 131, paint the shade of its skin color. Hello. I will continue to achieve this no matter what it is. I wouldn't want to take this though. This is security function. Okay, computer. I give. Then the eyes, bottom shaded part, WG0.5 tablet. After that is to shape his eyes. Taco and an ego, even though I have some media. The eyes can be shaped with colored pencils. Be careful not to paint outside the color frame. Then it's all about coloring his clothes and hair. Do you sit down and wake them up?
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
The color number used for the hair is color 69 and color 72.
Come and fly away with me.
It can be used with color hug pens for subtle color. Distinguish. Such a painting is completed.
Come and fly away.